What is up, YouTube? Johnny B here again today. We're gonna be working on the GR today, doing some mods, but not on mine. We're gonna be doing it on that one. That one is Jesse. He's the owner of a company called JDL. You guys have probably heard him before. We're gonna be installing a TRD lip kit, or I guess now it's called the GR lip kit. It looks the same style as the TRD, and we're doing with the Tom's flares on it. So I think it's gonna make it look really good. He's also got a set of TEs for it and another set of like forged wheels. I forget what they're called. They're right there, you can see them. So let's get this started. So here's the GR side skirts. They already come color matched, which is sick. You order them from Japan like that, and then you also, here's the front lip, and you get a little GR logo there. Now we just got to look at all these JDM instructions, or Japanese instructions. So the first thing we're going to be installing is the front lip. It has an area where we're going to put a bolt through. You can see that little tab there. We're going to be using some of these little right here, the silver one right here. That's going to go there, and it's going to get bolted through the inside. So that'll make sure that that side never pops out. They gave us templates. So you can see here, we have a template that goes on the side, template that goes on the bottom, which we have here. And we're going to have to drill out some holes, and that's going to be for that to bolt to that section there. So luckily these templates are there. We're going to put these on. It looks like they put them on like right on the edge, not touching the light or the very edge before it starts to round. So we're going to put the templates on, then we can start drilling the holes. So here we are. We have all the templates on. Looks like it's saying it's like a 10mm size hole. So we got it ready on the drill bit. That's that side. We have the bottom ones here. Can't really read the instructions obviously, but with the pictures it helps out a lot. And we have this side ready to go. So we gotta make those 4 holes, which are gonna help make sure that this never falls off. The holes are all drilled. So there's the hole. So we got the clip and the bolt right here put on. And now we got to change these out to the JDM ones. It's just like a 10mm and a connector in the back. So it got clipped in there, and then the hole that we drilled back here takes like a little white clip and it gets bolted. And now we just have to remove all of these so that it's finally stuck on there. But I did prep the surface with some primer. It's like a special type of little 3M primer that comes in the kit so that it adheres properly.
I mean, it's on here, but
next thing we're doing is we're going to be replacing these with the JDM ones that are clear. Look at that. You just got to get behind there, and there's a 10mm holding it on and a little electronic clip. Now we're moving on to the next step, which are the GR side skirts. I have the other one in the box still. And it looks like we have a bunch of templates that we have to do for this, because we got to drill all underneath the side skirt of the, the stock side skirt that's already on the car. So let's get all these templates put on and drill. Getting everything drilled up so that we can mount the TRD or GR side skirts. There we go. Here we are. Side skirt is fully on, looking good. You can see the seal. It takes like a little bolt back here where we made that hole, and then underneath it's all clips. All right guys, so here it is. Full TRD kit is installed except for the rears. The rears, we're gonna do those at a different time. It's the rear diffuser. See, the side skirts are done on this side, all with factory hardware. Look at that. Clips in, bolts on. Beautiful. Look at them tabs. It looks all OEM underneath here. So now the next step that we're gonna have to do, which will be in next video, is installing the Tom's over fender kit. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll get started on the over fenders and for next video, so you guys can see what this car is going to look like with a mixture of TRD or GR and also the Thomas flares, and it's going to be looking good. Also, you guys are going to get to see the wheels that are going to get put on this car, and it's going to look amazing. It's making me excited for what I'm going to do to mine. Thing looks crazy already with the TRD kit. It's such a gorgeous kit. So until next time, you guys have a great day.